Hi, welcome to this channel. Today I would like to share you how to use ChatGPT to summarize a document. So let's dive in. First of all, go to your favorite browser. In my case, I'm going to use Google browser. So open a tab. Once you're in your best or favorite browser and type ChatGPT, log in to ChatGPT and log in from my end. I'll continue with Google account and wait for it to load. I know it won't take a lot of time. So mine has loaded. So once you're in ChatGPT, you'll see this attached file icon and click on it. I'll upload from my computer. You can also upload by connecting to Google Drive or connect to Microsoft OneDrive. So in my case, I'm going to use upload from computer. I'm going to the directory or the location where I want to attach the file from. I want to attach it from desktop. So I'll look for my document. I'll use this one. Click on it, then open. You wait for it to load. As you can see, I have already attached my document. Then I'll write a command to ChatGPT. Maybe I can write, let me write, summarize the document for me and click enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has gone through the document that I've attached and it is giving a summary of whatever the document entails. So basically, this is what I wanted to show you today. It is a very helpful tool that you can use when you don't have time and you want to get a summary of your document. Thank you for watching and remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.